Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. I hope you guys welding a lot, practicing. If you guys working, I hope you guys having a safe day, a good day. Today's video, guys, we are gonna try to do the 6G. We're gonna do the 6G with the 2-inch pipe, schedule 80. All right, we're gonna put it in place right here. Flange whizzer level. These are flange whizzer level, and you can put it at degrees. So right now we're gonna put it at 45. All right, so it's set to 45 degrees. We'll put a level right here, make our pipe a 45 and tack it. All right, fit the other pipe right here and go to town. All right, you know, we're gonna do 60-10 root and probably 60-10 hot pass, 80-10 fill, and then we're gonna cap it. Probably gonna do, depending on, you know, this is schedule 80, probably do 2 beats, maybe do 3, but we'll find out. All right, so without further ado, guys, let's get started. sexy welding people from YouTube. That was it for today's video, guys. We did a 6G 2-inch pipe, schedule 80. This is a great practice when you gonna do a test for a company. Most likely you're gonna get a 6G weld test. It could be either 6-inch, 2-inch, it depends on the company. It could be a super coupon, so practice 6-inch, it's good practice. Or it wasn't that bad, this one right here. I need to practice more, but it's good. This is 6G. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, guys, share with your friends, liked it. Coming up next, I have a little video. I made this homemade grinder holder. I didn't have a grinder holder. I had only one grinder. I was using one grinder on the floor, laying around. So I was like, I got tired of it, and I know they sell pretty nice ones online for like $400-$300, but this one actually pretty good, works pretty good. So I have a little video show you guys how I did this one, just in case you guys want to build one. Alright, also somebody requested my first weld test that I ever did after I went to this welding school. It was a 6-inch pipe, schedule 40, 60-10 root, 70-18, all the way out. That test helped me get a couple jobs locally. So if you're not into rig welding and you want to get into welding, but you want to start somewhere, that's a good way to start. 60-10, 70-18. That certification, when I was looking for jobs locally, I will show them that and they'll take it. Some companies, if you have a certification, a weld certification, they will not test you. Some will, some not. But like I got, like when I started, got like two or three companies that actually took me with that certification and did not test me. All right. So next video, little grinder holder and also the 6G test on 6-inch pipe, schedule 40. Right. On that video, I'll show you guys what the test call and everything. So all right, well, that was it for today, guys. Stay safe out there and keep welding. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.